Brad Williams, Excel primed. What not to do when summing up a column. Let me explain. I've detailed this before. I'm going to detail it again. Bad, good, bad. This is going to sum up the entire column. Let me show you a scenario that you never want to encounter. Let's say you and someone else in your department don't like each other, and you have to exchange information from time to time. You know this person is short-lived. In other words, they're moving on. Either they're getting a promotion, or they're either being demoted, or they are moving to another company. As a parting gift to you, do something like this. Equals 12 divided by 0. You go hide. They put this and they lock up this sheet. They put it to protect. You see where it says protect? They protect the sheet. Well, the protect sheet's not that big of a deal because they're going to have to give you the password in order. They don't necessarily have to. They could format this so you can still modify the information, but you can't go in and change. You're not going to be able to search for this outcome. And the outcome is this. There's an error. The sheet was protected. I unprotected it. I'll show you what the person could do. There's no way for you to find this error because you're going to go, all right, well, there's nothing here. If this isn't locked up, I mean protected, you can do find and search, go to special, and then what are you going to do? You don't have a clue as to what the problem might be. You can go one by one. Here's a suggestion. Hit last cell. This won't ring a bell. Trust me, it just won't, because how many people know the number of rows in an Excel worksheet? And this is the newer version. If you have an older version of Excel, how many permitted rows are there? You know, because I showed that there is one extra row here. The clue would have been here when I hit last cell. It shows that there's something down here at the very bottom, but it won't show the hidden. You can see the problem you're going to run into. Home. If you're doing protect and unprotect sheets, hit the shortcut Alt R PS. Here we have a protected sheet. I'm going to protect this without a password, and you can do that. Just hit OK. So now you're going to be up a creek because you don't have the password. And you go in and you go find and select, go to special, and it says you can't use that tool or a whole host of other tools. You see why you don't want to use this CC deal? Because if somebody, it may not even be another worker, it could just be a mistake and you're stuck. Here's a better approach. And as noted over here where it says careful, well, that's an understatement. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.